Welcome back to Mondays with Marvin. I'm Lisa, this is Marvin, and we are going to show you how to make some fun handprint animal paintings today. All you will need is a piece of paper, some paint, a marker, a brush, and I'm going to use a paper plate put my paint onto since I'm going to be painting my own hand. You may want to have an adult help you with this because it'll be a lot easier for someone else to paint your hand. Today we are going to be making an animal that eats lots of shrimp, that is pink and stands on one leg. Marvin, do you know? Yes, Marvin, it's a flamingo. Good job. High five. Yes, we are going to be making a flamingo today. So I'm going to set Marvin on the side where he's nice and safe. And you and I are going to make a flamingo. First thing I want to do is I want to take off my rings so I don't get pink all over my rings. I'm going to squirt just a little bit of my pink paint onto my plate. Then I'm going to brush my paint onto my hand. So I'm just going to brush, boys and girls. Just kind of tickles. It really does. All painted. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press it onto my paper. I'm going to squish it down. And then when I lift it up, it looks like this. Now I'm going to take my paint and I'm going to elongate or make my neck a little bit longer because flamingos have a longer neck. So when I'm done, it will look like this. We are going to put this on the side and we are going to let it dry because we need to add some more details to our flamingo. So I'll see you when this is dry. I'm going to use my marker and I'm going to make a leg that is bent. Then I need to make a second leg that is straight because flamingos have to stand on one leg, right? Otherwise they'll fall over. So here is my straight leg. I also need to add some detail to the head. I need to add a beak and an eye to my flamingo. So here's my flamingo, friends. I want to share with you some other drawings I made using my hands. I made a crab out of my hands. I also made a mother hen and some chicks using my hand and then my finger to make the baby chicks. I also made a fish that could go swimming in a lake or an ocean. And my favorite animal of all, I love ladybugs. So of course, I had to make a ladybug. So I made a ladybug out of my hands. So those are just some other ideas of animals that you can make using your hands. The possibilities are endless. You can make peacocks, you can make giraffes, you can make anything you want using paint and your hands. We hope you enjoy making your handprint animals just like we did. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn for more fun GrapeSEED ideas. Marvin and I will see you next week. Bye.